Previously on ApprenticeEh.
I made soup. That's your natural color.
Friends! I haven't been up this late since can't remember.
Good morning. We have the most Canadian breakfast. That's pea meal bacon right there.
Pea meal bacon right
That's
there.
pea meal bacon right there.
So Canadian we sound so.
Yeah, pea meal bacon. Happy Canada Day, yo.
Happy Canada Day.
Woo!
Happy
None of
Rihanna
you.
Day.
Oh yeah, Rihanna
Rihanna
Day. None of you are
We're
right,
not in
ready to
America
go.
this time. We always end up in America on Canada Day.
I know, I don't like that. That's just so unpatriotic.
We
You
can
fix it
actually
this
do
year.
the Canada thing today.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Except for it's raining.
Yeah, it's kind of gloomy out. We can still have fun in the rain, Sam.
How am I supposed to enjoy fairs if you're gonna be like this weather? Do not appreciate it. It ends over there though, so hopefully it'll blow over real quick and then I can go outside and play. Look at the giant rain. Look at all those poor people running away.
Practically impossible to tell now because the weather's ridiculous. But look, there's a freaking pirate ship over there. I think you can go on it, except the weather's crap right now. Hopefully it stops raining, then we'll go see what the deal is. But like, that's a pirate ship, and then that looks like a Viking ship. And then, I don't know what that is. Look at the cars. Oh my gosh.
Haha!
So it rained a bunch.
It rained a lot.
Like giant puddles of, I don't know if I can cross this water wet. Cleared it. Yes, you can. You gotta get a run. Run. I guess that works too.
Yeah.
They have a bunch of festivities, which is neat.
This is fun.
Yeah, they're making a giant paella. It looks amazing. That's all the pulled pork. Oh, it looks so good.
Look at this. There's a freaking Viking ship right here. This is awesome. Oh, it's Dragon Harold something. And it's super cool. But also, what? And I can go on it. I will wait in line for hours to get on that ship, guys. Let's go stand in the line for a little bit. I'm gonna go on the ship. How much sail is there? It costs money to go on, so Corrado's not coming with me because he is not as interested as I am.
It's cool, but it's not like
We're gonna go.
$30.
7 nuts. This is awesome! Very cool. Corrado is taking pictures of me. Hi! Look how cool this is! Holy crap. Anchor, anyone? So many ropes and things. So much stuff. I could climb that rigging. I could end up in that crow's nest. I feel like they might yell at me though. Standing right on the edge. Just drove by, so there's a lot of waves, and it's like you can feel it moving. I feel like I would probably get sick real easy. Sway in a bunch. Who wants to go down? And you can see how much the boat is swaying, and it's not even moving anywhere. Steering wheel. At least then you can get somewhere. Ooh, fancy toilet. My country has a new name. Oh, yeah. That's actually actually that area. All right. Nice.
I did the thing.
How was it?
You missed out.
Cool.
I felt like Peter Pan.
Oh, I figured you would have said like Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oh yeah, I guess that too. But I've Peter Pan and Captain Hook.
Okay, Captain Hook.
Captain
there you
Hook
go.
was there and stuff. And I was Peter Pan because I didn't belong there.
Look how awesome it is.
It's pretty cool.
It's so cool. This is ice cream rolls. He's like spreading it out onto a thing. So this guy started.
Yeah, they add liquid.
It's like liquid. And then you smush it around, I guess. And then spread it out. And then let it sit on these cool plate things. And then he's gonna start scraping. And he's creating a roll. That's so cool.
Got some hot buns. They look pretty great. I forget what kinds they are, but you know, there's 3 different kinds, and I'm sure they'll tasty.
Dogs. Hi. 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 Hi, you guys excited? Oh, that's an excited boy. Hi, long time no see. Hi. Hi. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. You're in bed?
I was taking a nap with everybody.
Oh man, a nap with everybody. Come here. Chica, can you make, oh. Give me kisses.
I know.
Cheapio.
He's here.
Oh, Chewy.
He's here.
Oh. Hi. Oh, ow. Oh, you got me good. I should not be encouraging this. Hi. Hey, buddy. Hey. Oh. Hi.
The sky is yellow. This is great. We get to see all the fireworks.
Yeah.
The main fireworks is over there. I don't think they've started yet. P.S. That's the most amount of boats I've ever seen out
At night?
on the lake at night. They're all like chilling to watch the fireworks. There's Canada's Wonderland.
The big one?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's where it is.
that's Canada's Wonderland. There's some over there, in between all the buildings. There we go. There's fireworks right there in that park thingy. I gotta just film it through the plants and the pillar. It's from a boat!
Cool.
That's awesome. Now we know why it took so long. They had to set a friggin' perimeter with police boats to get everybody out and then boat the boat in to light the fireworks from.
Yep, that makes sense. That's a little bit.
It's fuzzy. That's so awesome. Floating embers from fireworks.
That's why they have to clean the area.
Yeah, that's why everybody needed to get the heck out.
Those are cool ring ones.
They're smiley faces!
Oh, they are
It's a smiley face! OMG.
It was a smiley
Ah, they're smiley faces! That's super cool.